Hi guys, and happy week 4. This is just going to be a really short announcement this week. I just want to make sure to kind of reinforce a couple of things. First of all, you've now gotten 2 different writing exercises back from me. So as you can see, when you get your writing exercises back, you get a score, but then with that attached is a rubric and your paper with comments. If you're not seeing those things, you guys need to go in and take a look. I spend a lot of time making comments, so I want to make sure that you guys spend some time looking at them. And that keeps you from making the same mistakes over and over again. Also, do not submit your items as PDF files. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you're probably fine. Everything needs to be submitted in Microsoft Word. That makes it a lot easier when we are editing for one another and exchanging things, because then we're all working in the same format. Also, know that when a draft is due, and I put up an extra announcement last week to kind of reinforce this point, when a draft or any assignment is due, even if it's a draft though, it does have to meet minimum word requirements or it is a 0. So please get your head around that now. I do have to have minimums, and I do enforce those, absolutely. So, for instance, if the memoir that you turned in, the draft one, did not meet the 1,200 word minimum, you will not be included in the peer edit exchange. So just be aware of that and don't be surprised by it. If you miss this one, the edit, while it's super, super helpful, it's not going to make or break your grade. That being said, if you're part of the peer edit and you receive a partner's paper, it's really important that you do the edit and give your partner the chance to get feedback from you, because it's really unfortunate when a student spends a lot of time editing someone's paper and then their partner doesn't take the time to edit theirs and give them feedback. So please be a good citizen of the class and make sure that if you're part of the peer edit, that you complete the peer edit by Saturday at midnight. And you're ready to go. So you're going to get an email from me by the end of the day today. Today is Wednesday the 17th. You'll get an email from me by the end of the day today if you are part of the peer edit exchange. It will have your paper and your partner's paper. So clearly you're going to download your partner's paper and do your edit and have that done by Saturday. There is also a peer editing guide that is listed in week 4. That's the sheet you should use. You need to address a number of questions dealing with theme and imagery and all of that. So when you submit your peer edit, you're actually going to be submitting 2 documents by Saturday. That's the paper with all of your excellent comments and the answers to all the peer editing questions. So it's really, really important that you complete both of those documents and that you do so in a timely manner. Then you have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday to make the corrections on your final draft and have that to me by midnight on Tuesday, Central Time. Very important that you make all of your adjustments at that time. We should not be having MLA problems at this time. If you are still getting counted off on MLA on your papers, you need to go back and review week 1. Very simple format, and it's all been laid out for you in the past. Everything's double spaced, for instance, all that good stuff. Then yeah, so the final draft of the paper is due on Tuesday. I went really easy on you. Sorry, I'm looking at my notes over here. I went really easy on you. Like there's no writing exercise this week and that sort of thing. You do have a smaller reading response activity, and other than that, you have the edit and the final draft of your paper due this week. So if you have any questions, of course, let me know. But other than that, it's been really fun to read your papers and get to know you guys. You guys did some pretty cool things for your random acts of kindness this last week. And I hope that you're getting a lot out of the memoir and that your peer edit is valuable. And let me know if you have questions. Have a great week.